This is our hotel room, and I'm just calling my neighbors. Babies, where's my babies? Are you a baby? Are you a baby? Hi. Yeah, I got some. Hey guys, we're in a parking lot and there's about 1 million bikes out here. Well, that's a slight exaggeration. But the one that actually, out of all these bikes, a lot of Aprilias, Ducatis, BMWs, Kawasaki's, Hondas, the one that catches my eye the most, believe it or not, is this one. And honestly, like, because those are all bikes, but they're bikes. You know, you've seen them 1 million times. They've got little mods here and there, but this thing's immaculate. This scooter is at least 15 years old. It might be like a 20-year-old scooter, but look at it. It looks brand new. It's got race tires on the front and the back. I don't know what he's done to the engine, if anything. Even the dash, look at this. I think the dash on this scooter would have originally been like analog, like with a stick that moved, but he swapped it out. Yeah, anyways, I thought it was impressive. Trip's almost done. It's pretty much the last place we visit. There might be one or two others, depending on the time. I just look at the clock. If we got time, we visit more places. If we don't, we visit less. That's the largest Buddha in Taiwan, and it's the 10th largest in the world.